Here's another curated recipe from Mon Dessert, Crème Brûlée. Crème Brûlée translates from the French for burnt cream. This dessert consists of a rich and creamy vanilla custard with a crunchy top that cracks when you tap gently with a spoon. We highly recommend our beautiful contemporary Ramekins and a kitchen blowtorch. Preheat the oven to 150 degrees Celsius and put your Ramekins in a roasting tin. Slit the vanilla pod in half lengthways, scrape out the seeds and set aside. Pour the 2 cartons of cream into a small heavy-based pan. Put the skin in with the cream to infuse. Bring to the boil over a medium-low heat and then take off the heat. In a small bowl, put 2 egg yolks, 1 custard powder sachet and half of your sugar and whisk until well combined. Or, if you prefer to make a crème brûlée without eggs, put all 3 custard powder sachets, half of the sugar and make a paste with 100 ml of water. Strain the cream onto the paste. Discard the skin and add the vanilla seed you set aside. We find that by adding the seeds at the end it brings out more flavour. Divide the mixture between the ramekins and pour cold water into the tin until it comes 2/3 of the way up the ramekins. Bake for about 20 minutes or until the custard is set. It should only wobble slightly when shaken. Cool and then chill until cold for at least 2 hours. Scatter the tops of the cold brûlées with the remainder of the sugar and use a blowtorch or pop under the grill to caramelise the tops. It's a deliciously decadent dessert. Enjoy!